Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna look at some stuff in the neighborhood. Cause yeah, we just got back from Big Bear maybe 30 minutes ago. I don't know what to really, cause I've seen lizards, I've seen, like some ducks and, swans. So, seeing a lot of birds, dogs, or something. Seen a lot of wildlife. We've also seen dogs in our neighborhood. This is, of course, this is our neighborhood, neighborhood I live in, but my house isn't over here. It's more down that way. This is by all my friend's house. I know there's a bird nest over here. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Ooh. Right there where all the pine cones are. It's kind of hard to see. Wait, let's go over here because it's getting dark out. I know it might not look like that, but it's actually dark. Let me darken the camera to show you how it really looks like. Yeah, like this. A little darker now. Who cares? Wait, we're just gonna lighten it up so we can see the bird nest. See, yeah, it's somewhere between there. That's where all those pine cones are. The bird is out, probably getting some food because it has babies. Babies are probably asleep. Mom will probably wake them up to eat. I'm gonna show you this tree though. It's like a massive tree. Huh? No, it's just my mom. Look at this massive tree. I've seen a lot of birds in it. Oh, I just heard something in the bushes. I know it's a little blurry. So yeah. Let's walk up to it. Okay, look at that. Just lighten things up. Alright, okay. Looks so cool. It's been around for such a long time. There's a lot of wildlife in it. It's just sometimes they're all just out because this tree's been around for a long time. Yeah, we didn't really see that many animals. Well, actually, we didn't see any, but we got to see trees and we got to see a nest. So yeah, it's good. If we hit 100 likes, I will do a really special video on something really cool. But so yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.